Millions of drivers own vehicles with useful factory features they have never used. Not because those features are complicated, because many owners never look beyond the controls they use every day. A hidden mechanical key can save a $150 locksmith call. An automatic mirror setting can help protect a $300 mirror assembly. A manual release cable can keep you from getting stranded when an electric latch stops working. These are not internet hacks. They are real features designed by manufacturers and often buried deep inside the owner's manual. Today we are counting down 10 hidden car features that can make driving easier, safer, and less expensive. Not every feature appears on every model, so verify the instructions for your exact vehicle. Number 10. The mechanical key, hidden inside the key fob. You walk up to your vehicle, press the unlock button, and nothing happens. The key fob battery is dead, or the car battery has discharged completely. Most drivers assume they are locked out, but hidden inside many modern key fobs is a small mechanical key. Look for a sliding switch, push button, or release tab on the back or side of the fob. Hold that release and pull on the metal end. A narrow emergency key should slide out. Now inspect the driver's door handle. Some cars have a visible key cylinder. Others hide it behind a small plastic cover near the end of the handle. That cover can usually be removed carefully using the emergency key. This works because the mechanical lock is connected directly to the door latch. It does not depend on wireless communication, the key fob battery, or the car's electrical system. That can save you from an unnecessary locksmith or roadside service call. Professional bonus tip: practice removing the key and locating the lock cylinder before an emergency. It is much easier to learn in your driveway than in a dark parking lot during bad weather. But unlocking the door is only half the problem. The next hidden feature may still let you start the engine. Number 9. The backup key fob starting location. You are inside the car, but the dashboard says, "Key not detected." Most owners assume the fob is completely useless when its battery dies. That is not usually true. Many key fobs contain a passive security chip. The remote buttons need battery power. The chip can often be recognized when it is placed very close to the vehicle's backup reader. That reader may be inside the start button, steering column, center console, cup holder, or a marked storage slot. The location varies by manufacturer. On many push-button start vehicles, press the brake pedal. Hold the fob directly against the start button and use the fob to press the button. Other models require you to place the fob in a specific compartment before starting. The vehicle uses short-range RFID communication to recognize the correct security code. That means the engine can often start even though the remote functions no longer work. A replacement key fob battery usually costs less than $10. A tow or dealership visit costs far more. Professional bonus tip: keep the correct replacement battery at home and write the battery number in your phone. Do not store a loose battery inside the car, where extreme heat can shorten its life. The next feature helps protect one of the most expensive exterior parts on many modern vehicles. Number 8. Automatic mirror folding and reverse tilt. You park on a narrow street or in a crowded garage. One passing vehicle or shopping cart can damage your side mirror. That used to mean replacing a simple piece of glass. Now the mirror may contain heating elements, cameras, blind spot indicators, memory motors, and power folding gears. Replacement can cost $300 to more than $1,000. Many vehicles can automatically fold the mirrors when you lock the doors. The feature may be activated by holding the lock button on the key fob, pressing a switch on the driver's door, or enabling a setting in the infotainment system. Look under menus such as Vehicle, Mirrors, Doors and Locks, or Convenience. Some cars also have reverse tilt mirrors. When you shift into reverse, the selected mirror tilts downward so you can see the curb, parking line, or rear wheel. When you shift back into drive, the mirror returns to its original position. To test it, park safely. Select one mirror using the adjustment switch, hold the brake, and shift into reverse. If your vehicle supports the feature, the mirror may move automatically. Professional bonus tip: disable automatic folding during freezing rain. Ice can lock the mirror housing in place, and repeated motor operation can damage the internal gears. But the next hidden feature matters when a small electric latch refuses to open. Number 7. The manual fuel door release. You pull into a gas station with the fuel warning light on. You press the fuel door release. Nothing happens. The locking actuator may be frozen, the release switch may have failed, or the vehicle battery may be too weak to operate the latch. Most drivers begin pulling on the fuel door. That can damage the hinge, painted flap, or locking pin. A small actuator problem can become a $150 to $400 repair. Many vehicles include a manual release hidden inside the trunk or rear cargo area. Open the cargo area and inspect the trim panel on the same side as the fuel door. Look for a small access cover, plastic tab, fabric loop, or cable. Pulling it retracts the fuel door locking pin mechanically. The normal system uses an electric actuator. The hidden release bypasses that actuator when the electrical system cannot operate it. Do not pull random wires behind the panel. Confirm the location in the owner's manual before you need it. Professional bonus tip: clean dirt from the fuel door hinge and locking pin before winter. Use only the lubricant recommended for that mechanism. A few seconds of preventive maintenance can keep the latch from freezing or sticking. The next feature can help when the electric trunk or liftgate stops responding. Number 6. The emergency trunk or liftgate release. The battery is dead. The powered liftgate will not open, or the trunk switch has stopped responding. Many owners assume the only solution is towing the vehicle or forcing the panel open, but many cars include a mechanical backup. In American market sedans, there is usually a glow-in-the-dark emergency handle inside the trunk. Its main purpose is to allow someone trapped inside to escape. Some vehicles also include fold-down rear seat releases that provide access from the cabin. On SUVs and hatchbacks, look for a small removable cover on the inside of the liftgate. Behind that cover may be a mechanical lever connected directly to the latch. Using the emergency key or a flat tool in the correct location can release the gate manually. This does not repair the failed actuator, but it can give you access to cargo, the battery, tools, or the spare tire without damaging interior trim. A powered liftgate actuator can cost $400 to $1,000. Knowing the manual release may prevent additional damage and an unnecessary tow. Professional bonus tip: locate this access point while the vehicle is working normally. Trying to find a small release cover from inside a dark cargo area is much harder during an actual failure. We are halfway through, and the remaining features are the ones most drivers wish they had known years ago. How many of these hidden features did you already know? Keep count, because the next one is hidden in plain sight and can make nighttime driving noticeably safer. Number 5. The auto-dimming rearview mirror. You are driving home after dark. A pickup pulls in behind you with bright LED headlights. You keep adjusting your mirror, but the glare keeps coming back. Many drivers never realize the mirror may already have a built-in solution. An auto-dimming rearview mirror uses 2 light sensors. One measures the light in front of the vehicle. The other measures the glare coming from behind. When the system detects bright headlights at night, an electrochromic layer inside the mirror darkens automatically. No manual adjustment is needed. Look closely at your mirror. If you see a small button, a tiny indicator light, or 2 small sensor openings, your vehicle may have this feature. Some systems are always active whenever the ignition is on. Others can be turned on or off with a single button. The benefit goes beyond comfort. Reducing glare helps your eyes stay focused on the road instead of constantly adjusting to bright light. That can improve visibility during long nighttime drives and reduce driver fatigue. Professional bonus tip: if your mirror suddenly stops dimming, clean the sensors first. A dash camera, air freshener, or even a layer of dust can interfere with how the system detects light. But the next hidden feature is even more useful because it can clear your windshield much faster than most drivers expect. Number 4. Automatic climate control defog mode. Your windshield suddenly fogs up during a cold morning. Many drivers immediately turn the heater all the way up. That helps eventually, but modern climate control systems often have a smarter solution. When you press the front defrost button, many vehicles automatically switch on the air conditioning compressor. That surprises many owners. They assume air conditioning only cools the cabin. In reality, the compressor removes moisture from the air. Dry air clears condensation much faster than warm, humid air. The climate control computer may also switch from recirculation mode to fresh outside air, because outside air often contains less moisture than the humid air inside the cabin. Simply press the front defrost button and let the system manage airflow automatically. Avoid turning the AC back off unless the owner's manual recommends it. Many drivers unknowingly slow the defogging process by overriding the factory settings. Professional bonus tip. If your windows fog often, inspect the cabin air filter. A dirty filter can reduce airflow and make the climate system less effective. Number 5. The auto-dimming rear-view mirror. You are driving home after dark. A pickup pulls in behind you with bright LED headlights. You keep adjusting your mirror, but the glare keeps coming back. Many drivers never realize the mirror may already have a built-in solution. An auto-dimming rear-view mirror uses 2 light sensors. One measures the light in front of the vehicle. The other measures the glare coming from behind. When the system detects bright headlights at night, an electrochromic layer inside the mirror darkens automatically. No manual adjustment is needed. Look closely at your mirror. If you see a small button, a tiny indicator light, or 2 small sensor openings, your vehicle may have this feature. Some systems are always active whenever the ignition is on. Others can be turned on or off with a single button. The benefit goes beyond comfort. Reducing glare helps your eyes stay focused on the road instead of constantly adjusting to bright light. That can improve visibility during long nighttime drives and reduce driver fatigue. Professional bonus tip. If your mirror suddenly stops dimming, clean the sensors first. A dash camera, air freshener, or even a layer of dust can interfere with how the system detects light. But the next hidden feature is even more useful because it can clear your windshield much faster than most drivers expect. Number 4. Automatic climate control defog mode. Your windshield suddenly fogs up during a cold morning. Many drivers immediately turn the heater all the way up. That helps eventually, but modern climate control systems often have a smarter solution. When you press the front defrost button, many vehicles automatically switch on the air conditioning compressor. That surprises many owners. They assume air conditioning only cools the cabin. In reality, the compressor removes moisture from the air. Dry air clears condensation much faster than warm, humid air. The climate control computer may also switch from recirculation mode to fresh outside air, because outside air often contains less moisture than the humid air inside the cabin. Simply press the front defrost button and let the system manage airflow automatically. Avoid turning the AC back off unless the owner's manual recommends it. Many drivers unknowingly slow the defogging process by overriding the factory settings. Professional bonus tip. If your windows fog unusually often, inspect the cabin air filter. A dirty filter can reduce airflow and make the climate system less effective. But the next hidden feature protects your interior before rain even starts. Number 3. Remote window closing. You park your vehicle. Halfway across the parking lot, you realize one rear window is still open. Many drivers walk back, restart the car, and close the window manually. But many modern vehicles already allow remote window operation. On some models, simply press and hold the lock button on the key fob. The body control module commands each window motor to close. Other manufacturers require holding the mechanical key in the driver's door lock. Some premium vehicles even combine this feature with rain sensors that automatically close the windows if rain begins while the vehicle is parked. Availability depends on the manufacturer and model year, so check your owner's manual. Closing the windows remotely protects the interior from rain, dust, and theft. Replacing water-damaged electronic modules beneath the seats can easily cost hundreds of dollars. Professional bonus tip. Never assume every vehicle has this feature. Test it safely at home so you understand exactly how your vehicle responds. And this next feature could become extremely important during a real emergency. Number 2. Electronic parking brake emergency function. Electronic parking brakes confuse many owners. There is no traditional hand lever, just a small switch. Most drivers think it only works while the vehicle is parked. But many modern vehicles include an emergency braking function. If the main brake system develops a serious problem, pulling and holding the electronic parking brake switch may command the brake control module to slow the vehicle in a controlled manner. Instead of instantly locking the rear wheels, the computer works with the ABS and stability control systems to apply braking more safely. The exact behavior varies by manufacturer. That is why reading the owner's manual matters. This is not something you should experiment with on public roads. Instead, understand how your specific vehicle operates before you ever need the feature. Professional bonus tip. Learn where your vehicle's electronic parking brake release procedure is located. A dead battery or electronic fault sometimes requires a manual service procedure before the brakes can be released. And now we reach the hidden feature that delivers more long-term value than anything else on today's list. Number 1. The OBD2 diagnostic port. A check engine light suddenly appears. The car still drives normally. Immediately, many drivers worry about a repair costing hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Others rush to replace random parts without knowing what the engine is actually reporting. But hidden beneath the dashboard is one of the most useful tools your vehicle already has: the OBD2 diagnostic port. Nearly every passenger vehicle sold in the United States since 1996 includes this standardized connector. It is usually located beneath the driver's side dashboard, near the steering column. A basic Bluetooth OBD2 scanner often costs less than a single diagnostic fee at a repair shop. Once connected to a smartphone app, it can read stored diagnostic trouble codes. Instead of guessing why the check engine light appeared, you immediately know which system requires further diagnosis. For example, a misfire code points you toward the ignition or fuel system. A lean mixture code may suggest a vacuum leak or airflow problem. An evaporative emissions code could indicate something as simple as a loose fuel cap. That does not mean the scanner diagnoses every problem automatically. It simply gives you a much better starting point. Many apps also display live engine information. You can monitor coolant temperature, battery voltage, fuel trims, intake air temperature, and many other sensor readings. This information helps owners understand what the mechanic is discussing instead of approving repairs blindly. It can also prevent unnecessary parts replacement. Professional bonus tip: never erase diagnostic codes before writing them down. Freeze-frame data records the exact operating conditions when the fault occurred. That information often helps technicians find intermittent problems much faster. And here is the biggest lesson from today's video. Most modern vehicles already contain incredible convenience features, emergency backup systems, and diagnostic tools. Manufacturers built them into the vehicle years ago. The problem is that most owners never discover them. That is why reading even a few sections of your owner's manual can save far more money than most people expect. You may already own hidden features that prevent roadside emergencies, reduce repair costs, improve safety, and make everyday driving much easier. Take a few minutes this weekend, walk around your vehicle, locate the emergency key, find the OBD2 port, learn where your manual fuel door release is located. Practice using these features before you actually need them. You'll be much more confident the next time something unexpected happens. So now we'd like to hear from you. Which hidden feature surprised you the most? Was it the backup key fob starting method, the remote window closing function, or the OBD2 diagnostic port? Leave your answer in the comments, because other owners with the same vehicle may discover something new from your experience. If you enjoy practical automotive tips that actually make ownership easier and save money, subscribe for more videos.